welcome to episode 3 of Winter Works.
Now there's a special giveaway at the end of this video, but first things are getting very Christmassy at Pleasure Beach.
Let's head across the road to Adventure Golf to see what's going on.
What a perfect way to end the day. Doesn't the tree look gorgeous?
And we are back in tomorrow for some fun on Nickelodeon Land.
At the end of the season, all of the quad bikes from Paw Patrol get taken off and put into storage. We're going to be driving them from here to the storage unit today.
Okay, so I'm driving the quad bike. Watch out, Andy, because I don't have a brake.
We're doing something a little bit different today. We're going to be walking up the Big Dipper, and as it comes to the end of its 100th year, we're going to be removing its birthday cake. And what better person to take us up than our operations director, Andy Highgate.
Hello! And you have the chance to win this really unique piece of history. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video to find out how.
So we are currently at the first drop of Big Dipper. This is our ascent up. A little bit windy, but very nice view.
It's a bit steep, but it would definitely be worth it as itself.
Top of the Big Dipper. It's a little bit steep and windy, but we've made it to the top and it's a great view.
So we put this sign 60 feet in the air at the top of the Big Dipper for its special year to commemorate its birthday. And riders on the ride only get to see it for a few seconds, but we come to the end of the season. It's time for this piece of history to go back down to ground level.
And perfectly said, it's now time to take this down. And we've got our handy drill to help us do that.
So guys, we're back safely on the ground with the cake. So if you want to be in a chance of winning this, all you've got to do is like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and she could be yours. Stay tuned!
I'm sorry, but mine is rapid. I'm just going to smoke you all out. Watch this.